A picture finally says a million words, or at least that's what Deepseek thinks in their new Deepseek OCR model. So this is really interesting. It is just a paper. It's not, they haven't, there's some work that's gone into it. So do you know what OCR is? Object content recognition or something like that. It's a way of abstracting text from images. They're trying to build a model because this is actually really hard. Like you can kind of do it inside. I've tried it in Gemini. I've tried it in ChatGPT. It's kind of okay at doing it, but it's not great. In this app that I've built, I have actually resorted to using Python libraries that do it, and they're heavy. They're heavy libraries. These are like 4 gig, just to do a bit of object recognition or whatever, right? Really cool. If they can do it well, amazing. Love it. But what this paper is talking about specifically is they're exploring the idea of actually embedding tokens in images that then can be extracted from the image. And not only that, but they're getting 10x ratio on its token usage. So with an image that's say 1,000 tokens, they're getting 10,000 return on that token. Like they can extract an equivalent of 10,000 tokens from that image. So it's a really interesting way that you could put, hidden messages or whatever it is. You just store text in an image. And it's a way of providing, and if we talk about skills, which we were just doing, you could just provide an image inside of that thing, or whether it's an actual traditional subagent or MCP that takes up a lot of context, you provide the instructions in that image, and the model just knows how to abstract tokens from that image. And again, it's just a much more efficient way of doing things. So it's really cool. It works by like breaking up the images, and then obviously just having tokens representative of each section of the image. And you can download it now from Hugging Face, which you can actually use. You can't use the context optimal compression. So that abstract, that aspect is still being researched, but you can download the actual Deepseek OCR off Hugging Face right now and use it. So I might actually use it, see how good it is. It is saying it's got like a decoding precision of 97%, which is, there we go. That's the 10x ratio. So yeah, interesting study. I'm feeling like Deepseek are they're not really driven by finance. They're kind of really thinking outside the box when it comes to like technologies and what AI can do. I feel like all of the other companies are chasing profit. They're chasing money. Whereas Deepseek, they were the first ones to come out with a training. I don't know how much their training cost, but it was a mere million or something like that. Whereas training of other models, they're in the billions or millions. I don't know what it is. A lot. They found out a way to train a model in using a fraction of the costs. And then here again, they're actually putting forward a paper that's just rethinking how we use AI, how we use models, and what those models can do in a really interesting way. So, yeah, I know they're Chinese, but I'm not saying that as a racist term. I'm saying it's something to think about when it comes to the government and all that kind of lots.
Yeah, there are things that we don't know. For example, we don't know if it's actually costing them as much as they are saying. They are not as transparent, and we don't know if it's true, but presumably it's true. It's very impressive.
I'm led to believe that they are, because here's the thing, and I don't know the ins and outs of the Chinese government, but it basically the Chinese government has a hold of any company, privately trading company or whatever it's called in China. So they have to apply. If China wanted them to put in something into their model or something in their data, they would have to do it. Or if the Chinese government wanted access to the data, they would have to give it to them. Whether they're doing that, I don't know. But so far, I mean, they seem like, it seems like it's a fairly. I mean, this is just a great example of what they're doing to actually contribute. Like, I don't think they're collecting data by putting together a research paper. But anyway, that's by the by. This is part of a larger conversation on my show, Command AI, which we stream live every single week. We discuss the news and all things related to AI in the world of design and web. Catch us next week and join in the banter.